I live in a small apartment in Brooklyn with 2 roommates and our cat Jerry. As you can see, we needed to get organized. One day I was in the dollar store and I came across these cooling racks, and I decided to put them to good use. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you see more great ideas from Hometalk. For this great organizer, I picked up a dollar store cooling rack and a dollar store bin. I placed the cooling rack inside the bin, and from there I was able to organize the Tupperware lids perfectly. This makes it so much easier to find the lid that fits the bottom of the Tupperware. Grab a cooling rack and some E6000 and a dollar store chalkboard to create this great wall organizer. Put 4 dots of E6000 glue on the back of the chalkboard, press down, and let dry. Hang with command hooks on the wall. Next, add S-hooks. This is a great place to store your keys for easy access. You can write notes to yourself on the chalkboard. You can also use magnets or clips to clip on notes, coupons, or anything else you have lying around. The great thing about using a cooling rack is you can attach notes with both clips and magnets. Grab a cooling rack and some pliers to bend the cooling rack into a U shape. Be gentle as you do this, as the bars of the cooling rack might break if you aren't careful. Also, make sure you bend the grooves at the back of the cooling rack to make sure it can sit flat against the wall. If you still haven't yet, hit subscribe so you'll know when we post a new video. Now the spice shelf is no more, and it's so much easier to get to everything. My roommates and I have so many mugs. So I grabbed a cooling rack and attached 4 command hooks to the corners. Once the cooling rack was secured to the bottom of the cabinet, I added S-hooks and our mugs. One thing I did notice was that you definitely need to make sure you get the industrial command hooks to hold the weight of the mugs. You could also attach hooks to the bottom of the cabinets. We love how this mug display adds a homey touch to our apartment. My roommates and I love to bake, so we always have recipes floating around in our drawers that we can never find when we need them. Grab a cooling rack and begin weaving strips of burlap in and out of the rack. Repeat this sideways and cut off the excess. Tie the burlap to each other with wire. Flip around and add a dollar store easel to the back of it. This is so cute and super helpful when it comes to cooking or baking. This organizer is probably the most versatile organizer you can find. Grab a cooling rack and clip on some dollar store clips and pencil holders. From here you can fill the insides with makeup brushes, office supplies, anything that you need. It's super cute and super easy. You can also hang a cooling rack sideways with command hooks and put in scarves, jewelry, kitchen utensils, sunglasses. The possibilities are seriously endless. I hope this inspired you to look at cooling racks in a new way. Have a great DIY project? Let us know what you want to see next in the comments.